एकदम बंद चालू झालेलं आहे. Now let us see the preparation methods of amines. Yesterday we have seen the nomenclature of amines. Now in the preparation, the most familiar method of preparation of the amines is ammonolysis of the alkyl halide. By ammonolysis of alkyl halide, we obtain the primary amines. Now what happen in ammonolysis? When the primary alkyl halides such as any alkyl halide you can take, heated with the alcoholic solution of ammonia, excess ammonia is required. It undergo nucleophilic substitution. That means one nucleophile gets substituted by the another nucleophile. In this reaction, halogen atom is the nucleophile which get replaced by the new nucleophile, that is the amino group. Now in this reaction, the nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by the NH2 group, that is the amino group. See here, very simple reaction. This is the general reaction I show here. In this reaction, this alkyl halide RX, any alkyl halide, when reacts with ammonia in the presence of alcoholic solution of ammonia, on heating, this halogen atom is replaced by this NH2 group. That means this hydrogen and this halogen forms the byproduct as the HCl and primary amines is formed. For example, see, this is the bromo, ethane or ethyl bromide. When reacts with the alcoholic solution of this ammonia, it forms, that is the ethylamine. The IUPAC name is the ethanamine. So alcoholic ammonia is required for this reaction. Alcoholic ammonia is required for this reaction. This is very peculiar reaction of preparation of only primary amines. We have to prepare only the primary amines. Now this is the first method. The order of reactivity of alkyl halides is in this way. That means if we take the three alkyl halides, similar three alkyl halides, suppose ethyl iodide, ethyl bromide or ethyl chloride, at the same time when we add into it alcoholic ammonia and we heat that, then first we obtain the reaction which is that of the ethyl iodide. That means the reactions of ethyl iodide are readily formed or give the, that is the amines, primary amines, then the ethyl bromide, and ethyl bromide give readily primary amines, then the ethyl chloride. Now this is the order of reactivity of alkyl halide towards the ammonolysis. Now the second method of preparation of the primary amines only is the reduction of nitro compounds. Actually they are the nitroalkanes, but as aliphatic and aromatic nitro compound, that means nitroarenes and nitroalkanes, now see what is formed, how the primary amines are obtained. By reduction of this nitroalkane. Nitroarenes also give the primary amine, but that primary amines are the aromatic primary amines. Now see which are the reducing agent. If there is any reducing agent from this, that is the stannous tin in the presence of HCl, in the presence of HCl or zinc in the presence of HCl, or catalytic hydrogenation also give the primary amines if they are used for the reduction. Now you know that which are the catalytic hydrogenation, that is the nickel or any nickel or platinum, palladium, and lithium aluminum hydride is the very powerful reducing agent. So if in the examination, in the MCQ etc., you have any of these reagent, you must remember that the nitroalkanes are directly converted into the primary amines. Now see here, we require the 6 nascent hydrogen for this reduction. Why we require the 6 nascent hydrogen? Because this NO2 group is converted into this nitrogen, require 2 hydrogen atoms for the formation of primary amines, and the 2 oxygen atoms require 4 hydrogen atoms to form the 2 water molecules. Therefore here 6 nascent hydrogens are required. When we add the hydrochloric acid on any this metal, stannous, ferrous or zinc, it gives the 6 nascent hydrogen atoms. So this mixture is called as the metal acid mixture. So in the presence of metal acid mixture, or in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, or in the catalytic hydrogenation, all requires the 6 nascent hydrogen atoms for the reduction of this nitroalkane into the primary amine. For example, see, I take here the nitroethane. Now this nitroethane on reaction with that of the stannous chloride and stannous in the presence of HCl gives the ethanamine, that is the ethyl amine, and 2 water molecules are formed as the byproduct. Now next reduction is very important, because in this reduction the amines often contain 1 carbon atom more than the starting alkyl group. Now see, this reduction is called as the Mendius reduction. Name of the scientist, there may be short note on the Mendius reduction. Now reduction of alkyl cyanide, or we called as the alkyl nitrile. Now see, this is the alkyl group and this is the cyanide group. But in primary alkane we obtain such primary amine, we obtain such amine which contain 1 carbon atom more than the alkyl group, because this cyanide group get reduced. Now for this reduction, sodium metal and alcohol is required. When we add alcohol on the sodium metal, there is the synthesis of the nascent hydrogen atoms. Now there are the 4 nascent hydrogen atoms required, because we have to reduce this nitrile group or cyanide group into the CH2NH2. Now in this way, this is the general reaction, this is the alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitride. It gives the primary amine which contain 1 CH2, 1 carbon atom more than the starting alkyl group. Remember that during the reaction, when you in the CT or JEE, there are given directly sometimes such type of primary amines, suppose they give. For example, see here, this is the ethyl cyanide. The name of this compound is ethyl cyanide or ethyl nitride. And they may be asked what is the compound there, and again the more longer reaction may be there. Then you must remember that though it is the ethyl nitride, but the formation of the primary amine which contain 1 carbon atom more than this alkyl group. So there is formation of the propanamine and not ethanamine. Remember that, because 1 CH2 is formed from this carbon atom, and so that is the N-propylamine or propanamine is formed in this reaction. In this way you can take any alkyl nitrile for the reduction, Mendius reduction, and you form such primary amine which contain more CH2 group, 1 more CH2 group than the starting alkyl cyanide. Now see, in this reaction the alkyl cyanide with sodium metal and alcohol gives the primary amines, or primary amines are obtained, and this reduction is called as the Mendius reaction. These are the 3 important preparation methods of the formation of primary amines only. Now, let us see which is the 4th method now.